Hello, I'm Adil Imroz, an assistant professor in animation. Welcome you all to the world of multimedia. Multi, multi means more than one, and media refers to the communication channel through which we disseminate music, video, audio, education, professional videos, and other data. However, by combining these two terms together, it forms multimedia. Multimedia is the use of computer to present and combine text, graphics, audio, video, and animation with links and tools that the user navigate, interact, create, and communicate. Popular example of multimedia includes video, podcast, audio slideshows, and animation videos. Multimedia can be recorded for playback on computers, laptops, smartphones, and other electronic devices, either in demand or in real-time streaming. In the earlier years of multimedia, the term rich media was synonymous with interactive multimedia. Over time, hypermedia extension brought multimedia to the World Wide Web. Text, images, audio, video, and animation are 5 multimedia elements. The first multimedia element is text. The text is the common multimedia element, one that expresses the information the developer is trying to get across to their viewers. Even though pictures grab the viewer's attention, the text is a good idea to include as well, just in case the pictures does not load. Second multimedia element is a graphics. Graphics catches the viewer's attention much more quickly than just plain old text. Almost every multimedia application contains images. The most common images are JPEG and PNG. Also, Photoshop and Paint.net creates higher tech visual effects which are common with images. Third multimedia element is an audio. Most of the time, audio files are deployed using plugins, media players. The few audio formats includes real audio, MIDI, WAV, WMA, and MP3. The developer will compress the format to shorten the time of an audio. Before the file is downloaded, one can stream the audio. The fourth multimedia element is video. The web is the most common place where videos are seen concerning multimedia elements. A few digital video formats are Flash, MPEG, AVI, and QuickTime. Streaming digital video can increase the speed of the playback. Developer uses video to hold on to the viewer's attention. Fifth multimedia element is animation. Animation draws in the younger crowd. Adobe Flash is the most common tool for creating these animation. Animations are the most creative and fun multimedia elements. Multimedia softwares. Multimedia softwares is a broad term that covers everything from video editing to web design. There are many different types of multimedia softwares, but they all have one thing in common. They use the computer to create and manipulate graphics, sound, animation, text, or other media. Many people's lives are enhanced by multimedia softwares. If you browse the internet, watch videos, or listen to music on your computer, chances are that some multimedia softwares is already installed and accessible within these programs. Multimedia is all about creativity, expression, and entertainment. People use it for a variety of different purposes, including education. Educators can use educational softwares within their courses to enhance the learning experience by allowing students to be more involved in what they are learning. Multimedia tools make it easier for teachers to explain their concept by recording themselves teaching the class, displaying images, and creating slideshows that may include text or video clips. Photo editor is a type of multimedia program that lets you to modify pictures. They can be used to enhance photos you take. This is done by manipulating the images, such as changing the appearance of objects and people in the photos or inserting images over images. Image editor can also be used for enhancement purposes, which makes them similar to photo editing softwares. However, image enhancers tend to focus more on changing and manipulating images, and this might be something as simple as a few clicks or as complicated as lengthy learning process. But the end result is usually the same. Photo editing softwares allows user to edit photos in various ways. People use this type of multimedia program to modify photographs in all sort of different ways, such as changing their colors, removing objects, and modifying the shapes of the object by resizing them. You can also use the type of softwares to annotate image, which basically means adding text to the photos. Adding text to the photos or images can help enhance your presentations, or it can just be something fun to do for fun. Software mostly used for this purpose is Adobe Photoshop. Video editor, also known as non-linear editing softwares. Video editing softwares can include many features, but is best known for its ability to edit videos. The user can cut out parts that are not useful or add other videos or audio clips into the project. This type of multimedia softwares allows the user to change colors, or remove objects, but also to add music and special effects. Video editing is one of the most common uses of multimedia softwares. In fact, non-linear editing softwares has revolutionized film productions because it can remove and add scenes at any point. The most popular type of multimedia softwares is probably video editing softwares like Adobe Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro. These programs allows you to edit videos, footage on your computer by cutting it up into clips, rearranging them in any order you want, and adding titles or other effects. Audio editor. An audio editing program allows you to edit the sound files on your computer. This type of multimedia softwares gives users the options to record new sounds, cut or splice existing files in pieces, add effects like echoes and filters to change the sound tone objects makes in a video. Example, you might want to add the sound of a motor starting up to a video clip that shows somebody getting into a car. An audio editor is great for making music, but it also lets you change the volume of different clips to ensure they all fit together perfectly. You can make some parts of the song quieter or other louder depending on what kind of effects or mood you want to convey in your music. Multimedia production suite. Multimedia production suite contains programs for all different type of media creation in one easy use suite. The user won't have to open a separate program for each task. They can create an entire project from start to finish without ever leaving their chair. This type of multimedia softwares normally cost a lot more money than stand-alone programs because it does so much more. But many online videos outlets offer free versions that you can try out before you buy. Animation softwares. Broadly speaking, animation is a form of multimedia that can include moving images and sounds. However, the term has become synonymous with short animated films created for websites and commercials. Animation softwares is a type of multimedia program suite that allows animators to create these type of media from start to finish without having to use many different programs. Animation editor allows you to create animated GIF and videos as well as drawings. There are even some programs that allows you to animate objects like text and shapes so they move around the screen. This type of multimedia softwares can be used by professional animators or anyone who wants to create a cartoon or video with simple animation effects. It is not good for creating 3D animation because it does not have the same rendering capabilities. But users can create 2D cartoons and animations with shapes and texts. The most popular type of multimedia softwares is probably animation softwares like Adobe Flash, Adobe Animate used for 2D animation, and Autodesk Maya used for 3D animation. Presentation softwares. You have probably seen this type of multimedia softwares in a workplace, whether it's installed on your computer or shown during a meeting. Most presentation softwares has interactive features like tilts and zoom, click and drag notes, animation effects, screen drawing tools, embedded objects, and hotspots. Some even allow you to create your own interactive presentation instead of imparting existing slides. I'll be back after some more videos related to multimedia. So thanks a lot for watching my video. Goodbye.